That stinks. Is it reparable? We pull into Tucson yesterday afternoon, and great town by the way. And we go to take the weight distribution system off to unhitch, and I look and I see that one of the bolts on my L bracket has sheared right off. And this guy here is welded to the bracket in the back, so it's irreparable without welding. So we're looking high and low for replacement parts. Nothing seems to match because this is an older system. So I call around, and probably where I should have started was just a custom welder. So we're gonna take it in a few minutes, see this custom welder, and they're gonna hopefully fix this. So come along with us and let's see how this turns out.
We're headed out to John. He works on welding and I guess trailer hitches, RV hitches. He says he can try and help us and fix this problem we have. Here we go. Hope we get things fixed.
Is it reparable?
Kind of a funky setup, but okay.
I figured a welder could figure this out with no problem.
Okay, so we'll pull in all the way as far as you can so we can work on it. We're gonna stay hooked.
I could drop ship if you want, whatever you want. We'll just hang here until it's done.
Okay, can you back it in that door?
2 months of work, I'm not that good.
Pull it up in.
Okay. We'll just have the bracket removed. And then I guess retrofit a new bolt on there, weld a new one on there, because it is part of the bracket.
Right.
This isn't like I'll slip through a bolt.
Gotcha.
So let's see if it works. You can weld anything.
So we gotta take this, cut it, and we'll put a grade 8 bolt on here.
This is cool. I think we have a solution. So if your hitch has an issue, before going to the trailer store, see if there's a local welder, because they can usually solve so many problems, and it's fun.
That grade 5. And the other bolt was leaning, so I had him cut both off.
Thank you, I saw that. And yeah, now I'm waiting for this side to break. We'll make it back through Tucson when it does.
Thank you so much. Thank you
guys,
for all
happy
your
travels.
work. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.